the other mini 50cc bikes. Behind them come the juniors, the 70cc's, the 8 to 10-year-olds, the 10 to 12-year-olds in their 125cc bikes, single crossovers down the Esplanade. Behind them, the senior riders, the 12 to 16-year-olds in their 230cc bikes, led by the team captain Kieran February. And the senior riders turn now for a single crossover. Pair up now for a double crossover. I should tell you that the Imps are a youth group aged 5 up to 16 from the most deprived borough in East London, Newark. The difference is that they train to be precision motorbike riders. And the senior riders will split now for a three-way crossover and Irish whip. Now these are all tricks which the youngsters learn to give them control and confidence in the management of their bikes, and the sort of control and confidence they need when they graduate to the bigger bikes, the senior bikes, the 230cc bikes, which you'll see coming up the middle of the Esplanade now. And this is the sort of control which the senior riders will show you as they spin about and ride their bikes in reverse. Now that's a very difficult thing to do, because not only can they hardly see where they're going, but of course all controls are the wrong way around as well. But these youngsters make it look as easy as strolling, and here they come on a backward single crossover. Just to show you the burst from the snow through, here they go again. Now the senior riders will throttle back for a very difficult maneuver. They throttle right back to kind of walking speed, maybe less walking speed, and they're still able to control their bikes. And also part of here comes the double side saddle with Bobby Barber and Niall February. And up the south side of the arena goes Matthew Dennis driving the flower with Walker Wall over the handlebars. And he's back, and Aurora is flying the Saltire flags. And the three wise monkeys turning at the top now. Reeve Rose driving the bike, George Winton who's over the handlebars, and Slavy and Tanisov who's sitting on the back. Oh, and here comes 16-year-old Sam Briggs. Not only is he riding his bike in reverse, he's got a copy of the Tattoo program out, and he's going to open it and pretend that he can read. Oh, and here's 16-year-old Oliver Cross showing he can control his bike just as easily from the top of the ladder as he can from the saddle of his bike. And here he comes back again, just to show you the first time wasn't a mistake. Oliver Cross, ladies and gentlemen. And here comes the senior flower, Yasmin Barber, Harry Langford, Jordan Ellis and Jennifer Beckett. And it doesn't look as if Dominic Manley and Wayne Scott can decide who's going to ride that bike. Round they come, and there they go again. They swap sides again. They still manage to keep control of the bike. And there goes the mini pyramid. Rona on the right, Jack on the left. because they're just little. Oh, and here come those two naughty boys, Adam Murray and Joseph Dennis. I hope you've got a raincoat in the front row, because Joe Dennis is lethal without water guns. And up the arena goes Roy Pratt, who formed the Imps 40 years ago. And Roy is just positioning that car, provided by one of our sponsors, Ford Motor Company. And here comes the Grand Pyramid. 17 riders, 5 bikes, commanded by the Pyramid, with 30-year-old Red Scott driving the top. Nothing around the corner, just watch the link there between the bikes. They've got to be as supple as ballet dancers, for if their colleagues drift too far apart, and as Roy gets the ramp into position, the rest of the team come up the esplanade to form up alongside this Ford car. The Imps formed 40 years ago. Roy was given the MBE in 2002. He's a member of the most excellent order of the British Empire for all the work he's done with the Imps. And being in the Imps can be a lot of fun. They've travelled to Germany, the Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, Russia, Singapore, and the United States, as well as the Edinburgh Tattoo, and up and down the length of the British Isles. Roy's just got 2 rules. The Imps, as long as they keep their noses clean and don't get in trouble with the police and don't play truant from school, then they can stay with the team and enjoy all the pleasure of entertaining crowds like you. And here comes Joseph Dennis comes out to the front. Whatever age you are, please don't try and copy in the streets or on the roads what you saw the Imps doing here tonight. Oh dear, and there are the naughty boys. Round they keep come. Adam Murray and Joe Dennis.